In this video, I'll show you how you can connect the PlayStation Portal to a mobile hotspot. Now, first things first, you have to enable the mobile hotspot on your device. So if you are on Android or iOS, simply enable the mobile hotspot. So I'll just go to my settings and select portable hotspot and enable it. Okay, once you've enabled it, go to your PlayStation Portal and select this icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then select settings. Within the settings, choose network, and then from here scroll down and select setup internet connection. Now at this point, you will try scan for any available networks. So once you have scanned for the network, find your mobile device, and you can see mine has been discovered. So simply select it and type in the password for that particular hotspot. So type in the password, and then once you're done, tap on done, and then your PlayStation Portal will be connected to your mobile hotspot, as you can see. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.